Hey guys, we bought this Amazon basic neoprene coated hexagon workout dumbbell. So for the hand weight, it's a set of 2 lbs and 3 lbs and 5 lbs. Comes with a stand as well. So comes in a nice packing box, as you can see. So it's a hexagon design and the rubber grip. So this will help like in the rolling thing, the hexagon design, so that can just be in place, and the easy grip with a neoprene coating so that we can hold it really well. So these are the 5 lbs one. So two 5 lbs, two 3 lbs, and two 2 lbs one. So total set of 6 cast iron dumbbells, and this also comes with a tray. I will show you. So you can just install this tray with this provided screws and the design, and then you can hold all this here. So this is the tray can be easily made with this supply stuff. So let me just install it or assemble it, and now that I will show you the final outcome. So you have to just put in this, and yep, after installment and the assembly, this looks really nice as you can see it here. So all the dumbbells fits really well in this tray, and then you can easily store them, one on the top and easily hold. So this can hold up to 120 pounds, that is the total weight, and then you can just use and store the way and use it the dumbbell for your exercise or any other purpose.